In today's video, I am going to teach you how to style buttons on Squarespace. To begin, open the page preview for the page you want to work on and click Edit. This takes you into the page editor, where you can adjust the design of elements that appear on your site. Once you are in the editor, look to the top right corner and click the Site Styles paintbrush icon. This opens the styling panel, which is where Squarespace keeps many of the visual controls for your website. In the styling list, click on Buttons. This section is specifically for controlling how your buttons look across the site. If you are updating the look of calls to action, this is the area you will use most often. Next, choose the button type you want to change. Squarespace gives you 3 button categories: primary, secondary, and tertiary. Each one can be styled separately, which is helpful if you want your most important button to stand out more than the others. Select the category that matches the button style you want to update. After that, start modifying the core settings inside the text panel. This is where you adjust the basic text-related appearance for that button style. These settings affect how the text inside the button is presented, so make changes carefully and keep readability in mind. A button should always be easy to read and visually consistent with the rest of your site. You can then move on to padding. Here, use the horizontal padding and vertical padding sliders to change the space inside the button around the text. Horizontal padding affects the left and right spacing, which can make the button feel wider or more compact. Vertical padding affects the top and bottom spacing, which changes the height of the button. Small adjustments here can make a big difference in how polished and balanced the button looks. As you work, it helps to watch the live preview so you can immediately see how each change affects the design. Try to keep the button comfortable to read and easy to click, especially if your visitors are using mobile devices. When you are finished, click Done in the top left corner of the page editor. Then select Save to apply your changes. This ensures your updated button styling is kept and published to your site. That covers everything you need to know.